Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Sam. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be my fall Fab Fit Fun unboxing. So if you want to see what I got in my fall box, then just keep watching. Okay, first things first, let's just get it out of the way. Yes, I am wearing the same outfit and makeup as my last video that I just posted, and that is simply because I am filming these back to back and I'm too lazy to change or redo my makeup. So this is what we're working with, and honestly, I mean, my makeup and my top match this box perfectly. I mean, come on, come on. So this is what this month's box looks like. And here is our magazine and all the products are underneath. As usual, this box does come with a bunch of coupon codes, coupons for HelloFresh, a coupon code for $15 off your first FabFitFun, and a $15 credit or $45 credit to Bright Sellers. The first product in the box, which is Crease Release. It removes wrinkles. It's a wrinkle spray. This is from the Laundress New York Crease Release. It says easily remove moderate wrinkles from clothing and fabric with this spray, especially when ironing isn't an option, and this retails for $16. I'm just curious what it smells like. I'm just gonna spray my hands. You could spray it on clothes, why can't you just... Oh god. It smells good. It smells like laundry, honestly. I don't know if it works, but I will probably give this to my girlfriend because she'll probably get more use out of it than I will, let's be honest. The next thing in this box is the Daniel Stone pumpkin spray. It's a room spray, so it's kind of like an air freshener, and it's pumpkin scented. Spritz your room with a delicious blend of pumpkin, cinnamon, and vanilla. Well, that sounds delightful. Oh, that is like fall in a bottle. That is amazing. Oh, it's so warm and delicious. I love this. I will be keeping this. I will be using this. And that brings me to the next thing in the box, which is one of my favorites. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. I freaking love this brow gel. I use it all the time. I have it in my brows now. And honestly, do I really need to say anything about this? Oh my god, I don't think I told you guys what these things retail for. This room spray retails for $36, and the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel retails for $22, and it's amazing. That's it, just enough said. It's amazing. If you haven't tried it already, you should definitely try it because it's awesome. The next thing in the box is this, which I don't know what this is. It is the Hip Cutlery Set. It says swap your disposable utensils with this wheat straw cutlery set. It also comes with a carrying case, and this retails for $14.99. I think I'm gonna give these to my girlfriend because she brings her lunch to work every single day. I mean, I also bring lunch to work, but at my job we have disposable forks and knives, and at her job it's kind of a pain in the ass to grab that. So I think I'm gonna give this to her because she lost her cutlery set that came with her bento or bent-go box, so I think I'm gonna give this to her. But this is so cute. I love this. The next thing that I got is the Multivitamin mask by Vitamasques. I love Vitamasques masks. It says here, nourish your skin with vitamins B3, B5, B6, C, and E when you use these ultra-thin sheer sheet masks. And these retail for $40, and inside, let's see, I think you get, yeah, you get 5 masks. This is what they look like. And they're sheet masks, which I love sheet masks. And Vitamasques is one of my favorite companies that makes sheet masks. The next thing in the box, I've tried this before and I'm not a fan at all. This is Glow Milk. It says nourished with coconut and argan oil. It is an illuminating milk for face and body. I'm just personally not a fan of this at all. It says enriched with coconut. This highlighter gives you a lit from within glow, and this retails for $19.50. I just wasn't a fan of it. I felt like it left my skin really, really oily, so I just personally do not like that. And the next thing in the box, which I love this. I'm so excited that we got this in the box. This is the Erno Laszlo Exfoliate and Detox Pore Cleansing Clay Mask. I freaking love this mask. I use this mask all the time. I'm so glad that we got one because I am almost out of my other one. It says here, remove impurities while infusing moisture and nutrients into the skin, and this retails for $48. This is pretty expensive, but it is definitely worth it. I purchased this on its own because I love it that much. It is an amazing mask. I really honestly love it. It really does detoxify your skin without over drying. It's not like a regular clay mask where it hardens and then when you take it off your face feels really, really dry. It is an amazing clay mask, and if you've never tried this mask before, I definitely highly recommend this mask. And then the last thing in the box that I got is this, which looks really, really cute. It's a bag. It is the Botkier New York Trigger Backpack. It says this multifunctional backpack holds all the essentials in style and shipping restrictions may apply. It is $100. It is pretty pricey for this little guy. It is so cute. So this part of the bag is like a nylon, and then this must probably be like vegan leather or something. I don't think it's actual leather because it's only $100, but this is honestly so cute. It's pretty roomy. You can get a lot of things in this bag. And here you have two front pockets, which aren't that deep, but you can put like, you know, chapstick, lip gloss, sanitizer, things like that, whatever you don't want just thrown in the big pocket. This is actually a really cute backpack, and the shoulder straps are adjustable, which is really nice. And it's just a really cute backpack. I love this. So that is everything that I got in the box. And the overall value of this season's box is $296.49, which is an amazing value because it is only, I believe, $49.99 for the box itself. So it is definitely worth it. I absolutely love this box. I think the only thing that I'm going to give away to my girlfriend is this and the Cutlery Set, only because I know that she'll get more use out of it than I will. But even if she didn't use it, I definitely would. I love this box. This room spray, it's fall in a bottle, and it's amazing. And the bag itself is so cute. And the fact that we got this clay mask, which I absolutely freaking love, and if you have not tried it, you should definitely try it, just makes this season's box absolutely worth it. So thank you so much for watching. That is everything that I got in this season's box. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.